I have found a new cool feature for Adobe. This is very nice because these are the shortcuts to make edits. So I make this here a screenshot, and you see you can here make your own shortcuts. It's here Premiere Pro, and then keyboard shortcuts. There is this cool stuff. Okay, now we are printing. It's so fucking nice. Yeah. Thank you, stupid printer. Thank you. Okay. Perfect time. Maybe I'm stupid and the printer is cool. The printer say, you do your things and I do mine. Okay. The printer is very spiritual. He has the fucking spirit. Yes. Very nice, very good. Okay, I don't need you. Very nice. Okay, come on. Very nice. Yeah, this is so nice. All right. Okay. Yes, maybe this is a very cool style. You have here, you have here your shortcuts, and then you can look. These are my shortcuts, and you can learn very fast to make cool edits, because it's so cool to make movies. It's so funny. Thank you. Goodbye. And make a I don't know the English word. You make follow me. This is the right word. Okay, thank you.